Hi there, students. Runes. Okay, runes, or a rune is a letter. Um, this was the alphabet, the Germanic alphabet, before they used Latin letters, before the Latin alphabet was introduced. This is pre-Christianism. This is the old Germanic alphabet, and runes you can find particularly still in Scandinavia on rune stones. A rune stone is a big stone in the ground with runes written on it. Let's see, runes are letters or that are believed to have magic origin. Yeah, they there are various spells or incantations in runes. You could have an adjective, runic, as well. Okay, so runes. The runes are the letters or the characters, particularly of the Anglo-Saxons, okay, the Brits, and the Scandinavians as well. Okay, so the runic letters, and these were pushed out as Christianity came through and replaced the runes with Romanized letters. Okay. So, yes, you can find a rune stone. These are stones with a runic inscription on them as well. If you look at Lord of the Rings, if you actually look at the book, I think that in the initial editions there were runic characters on the map, and then Tolkien started to invent his own runes as well. I'll bet there's one rune around that you actually do know. Well, there are probably more, but you know Bluetooth. You know this symbol, yeah? Like this shape for Bluetooth. Well, believe it or not, that is a rune. Yeah, it's the rune of a king of Denmark, Harald Gormson, yeah, who was known as Bluetooth, Harold Bluetooth Gormson, and the rune of Harold Blatand Gormson, Blatand Bluetooth, is that shape. So you see, you've got a rune even on your telephone. Or for example, in Nazi Germany, this SS, yeah, this is from two runes, two sig runes for the S sound. Okay, so runes are still around. Let's see, the runes are something that are still within within the modern occult, yeah. But runes, effectively, these are the old Germanic letters, yeah, the letters that were around before from German languages. And the word rune, well, it comes from Old Norse rune, yeah, which comes from Proto-Germanic runo, a letter, literature, or a secret, which is probably borrowed from Proto-Celtic, even older, runa. Okay? So, the runes. Now you know what the runes are. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Runes. Runic.